Hello everyone, today I will discuss about the feminist perspective. What is feminist perspective? The feminist perspective it refers to an ideology and movement that advocate for gender equality and power of people. Feminist approach the issue of reproductive rights for another angle. They believe that government assumptions that poverty and environmental degradations are not caused by overpopulations and wrong. The feminists also point out there is very little evidence that point to the poverty and ecological divisions. 1994 United Nations International Conference on Populations and Development suggests religions of this issue. It is dilemma to the human feminist moment face today. And that's all. Thank you.